How to check in flight with Expedia. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can check in on your flight with Expedia app. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First thing, what you want to do is you want to open up the Expedia app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now here I'm not being able to log into the account due to some server issues, but I'll just guide you through quickly. Once you open up and log in, you'll get an interface like this as well. You can see the four different options at the bottom of your screen. You can see home option, trips option, notifications option, and account option. What you want to do is you want to simply tap on the trips option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on the trips option there, what you want to do is there, if you have the flight available, it will show up there. However, if you don't find it there, what you want to do is you'll find the option find your booking. Simply tap on find your booking option and there it will ask you to enter your itinerary number. Simply type in your itinerary number and you'll be able to check in on your flight. So this way you can check in flight with Expedia. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.